students, welcome to Masters Learning Channel. In today's CA-CPT class, we'll see one basic but very important class, that is set. First of all, set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Okay, set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Okay, now see, this collection may be described or listed. Okay, this collection may be described or listed. Okay. Now see the examples for set. Okay, I will show that in described form as well as the listed. Usually sets are denoted by caps letter A, B, CR. You can use any letters, okay, while writing the set. Okay. Now see the examples for set in the listed form and described form. Okay. First see, I'll write A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Here I'll write it in described form. A is equal to, how to describe this set? Observe, one set contains elements A, E, I, O, U. You can write it as, it's a set of vowels of English alphabet. Okay. Suppose consider one more example. I'll write B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now you need to write this set in described form. We know 2 is a even number, 4 is a even number, 6 is a even number, 8 is a even number, similarly 10. But here not all even numbers are given. Even numbers from 2 to 10 is given. So I will write this in described form as B is equal to set of even numbers from 2 up to 10. From 2 to 10. Clear? Next is set builder form or ruler method. This is again one more representation of a given set, which is how to write set in listed form as well as in the described form. Suppose I am taking one set in the listed form. For example, see, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Okay. If you see this number, you can directly say this is the set containing first 5 natural numbers. Okay. You can write it in described form as A equal to all natural numbers from 1 to 5, or you can just write natural numbers from 1 to 5. Okay. Now you need to write it in set builder form. That means you need to use one rule to that set. Okay. I'll write it as A is equal to set of all x such that, okay, x is a natural number less than six. Okay, less than 6. Okay, now see, here x is not a single element. This x represents each element of the given set. Now see, x equal to 1. 1 is a natural number less than 6. X is equal to 2. 2 is a natural number less than 6. Similarly, you can take 5. Apply here. 5 is a natural number less than 6. Okay. Consider one more example. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now see, How to write it in set builder form? You can write it as A is equal to set of all x such that. What is the form of x? You can see here these numbers follow one pattern. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is there. Okay, or moreover, see here these all numbers are even numbers. So you can write it as set of all x such that x is a even number, comma, x varies from where to where? To less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. That means all the even numbers, but it varies from 2 to 10. Okay, this is how to write set in the set builder form. Okay, now consider one set A is equal to A, B, C, D, E. Okay, you collected 5 objects here. Now see here A, B, C, D, E are called elements of the given set A. Okay, here A, B, C, D, E we called elements of the set A. Okay, now number of elements. Okay, how many elements are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in this set 5 elements are there. Therefore n of A is equal to, you can write it as 5. Okay, it's nothing but number of elements of the set A. Okay, take one more example. Suppose set B is equal to 0. Okay, I am taking set B equal to 0. How many elements are there? Okay, here see 0 is the one element. We can't say number of element is equal to 0. The set has one element, right? That is nothing but 0. Okay, therefore you can write here n of B is equal to 1. That means your set B has one element. Okay, it's nothing but number of elements of set B. Okay, now if one set is given, then number of elements of that set is called cardinal number of the set. Okay, cardinal number of the set. Okay, here what's the cardinal number of the set A? Since that set has 5 elements, cardinal number of the set A is equal to 5. In set B, what is the cardinal number? Here you can see number of elements is equal to 1. Therefore, cardinal number of that set is equal to 1. Clear? Okay. Next concept is singleton set. Okay, singleton set. Okay. Definition says a set having only one element is called a singleton set. Okay, singleton set. Okay, if your set has only one element, that means cardinal number of that set is equal to 1, we call that set as a singleton set. Okay, example, see A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Here only one element is there. Or how to write example in set builder form? B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n. That means x is a natural number and x is less than 2. X is less than 2. All natural numbers less than 2. There exists only one natural number, right? That is 1. Okay, so see here set B has only one element, that is natural number 1. Therefore, this is an example for the singleton set. Next is empty set. or null set. Okay. See, single set means it has only one element. Empty set means set having no elements. Set having no elements is called the empty set. Is called the empty set. Okay. Nothing is there in that set. No element. Nothing is there. Okay. For example, see. Can you give the example for natural numbers less than 1? No, right? Why? There is no natural numbers less than 1. Or see the example. I am writing set B is equal to set of all x such that natural numbers between 5 and 6. Natural numbers between 5 and 6. It's not possible to find a natural number between 5 and 6. Okay. Therefore, you can write B is equal to empty set. How to write empty set? You can use this notation, empty set, or you can write it as empty set. These two are notations for the empty set. Clear? But you can't write no elements means you can't write it's equal to 0. Okay, or you can't write B is equal to 0. First of all, this is not a set. Okay, but here see, we can't say element 0 means it's not a empty set. Why? Here there exists one element. This is an example for singleton set. But here B equal to, you can use only two flower brackets or this symbol, then only this represents empty set. Okay. See the example. I am writing set B is equal to set of all x such that natural numbers between 5 and 6. Natural numbers between 5 and 6. It's not possible to find a natural number between 5 and 6. Okay. Therefore, you can write B is equal to empty set. How to write empty set? You can use this notation, empty set, or you can write it as empty set. These two are notations for the empty set. Clear? But you can't write no elements means you can't write it's equal to 0. Okay, or you can't write B is equal to 0. First of all, this is not a set. Okay, but here see, we can't say element 0 means it's not a empty set. Why? Here there exists one element. This is an example for singleton set. But here B equal to, you can use only two flower brackets or this symbol, then only this represents empty set. Okay.